Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I want to show you all the update on what's happening to my bulbs that are sitting on my windowsill. As you can see here, today we have a little crocus. It just opened its petals today. On my yesterday's video, you didn't even know, you probably didn't notice, but it was on the verge of opening, and today it is, and it looks lovely, very very fresh, happy, healthy. So yeah, and my other bulbs here, the ones around the edge and in the middle, they seem to be coming on very well. These are called Hyacinths, by the way, if you haven't seen my yesterday's video. But if you haven't seen yesterday's video, click the link in the description below. So hope you guys enjoyed this very very short video. I don't have much update on any other plants, they're all exactly the same as yesterday. I just wanted to show you all this crocus that opened today, and yeah, that's it guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. So take care guys, and have a wonderful day.